Hi, DonalCollins here from DonalCollins Limited, and today I want to talk you through about this device called a Lipid Pro, and this is used for measuring your blood lipids at home, and I just want to show you how to use it. So one of the tricks we've learnt over the last year is to get a reasonable blood sample, you need to warm your finger. So I tend to put boiling water in here and then cool it down with some cold water so that it's almost uncomfortable, and then the blood flow to the finger increases. Okay, and then I can dry that off. The Lipid Pro comes with one of these bottles with 10 of these sticks inside in it, and what you do is you pop the stick in the bottom end and then turn it on. The top end acts as a glucometer. It reads 1834, which matches the number on this bottle, and it's ready to go. So, warmed finger, we now prime our lancet. I use these because they're bigger lancets than the usual glucometer ones. They're going to make a bigger hole in my finger and will make me bleed a bit more. Now, I'm a bit of a wuss, so I might say ouch. Ow. And you need to get lots of blood. So I need to get my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. There we go, gets a reasonable bit. And this comes with 3 prongs, right? So 3 bits that you need to get reasonable bits of blood on. So there's 1, 2, 3, okay? Just make sure there's plenty on there. And then it goes in here like that. And then as the blood flows through, we should hear a beep when there's enough in it. There's 1. There's 2 dots left on the screen. Let's see. Not enough came off the first one. Okay, so it's now ready. So you can see here, if you look down here, there's now 3 red places. So as you can see, it took a little bit of time for the blood to come through. So you need to be a little bit patient. But the key is plenty of blood in your finger, and then fill these 3 arms with as much blood as you can, and you will get there. So why would we do this? So one of the key reasons I think we do this is to measure your triglyceride level and your glucose level, and getting a triglyceride glucose index will give you an indirect measure of your insulin resistance or insulin sensitivity. And then that means you can make sensible decisions at home based on what your cooking is doing to you. And we think this device is a useful one. We plan to post it out to people, so sort of hire it out, and when you're done you post it back, and it will come with one of these canisters with 10 measures inside in it. There will be a deposit yet to be decided, so that it might encourage you to send it back to us, and then we will come up with a reasonable price per test strip. But it is a useful measure instead of measuring insulin. Okay, let's have a look. So here we are. So my total cholesterol is 4.16. And for a recovered type 2 diabetic, not too bad. LDL is 2.51, HDL 0.91, and triglycerides 1.66. So they're a bit raised, but I'm not fasting. So this is a reflection of what I ate about an hour ago, which was some frittata and some cheese. Your fasting triglycerides give you an idea of how your liver is functioning. postprandially, it tells you how your body is handling the fat you've just eaten. So I hope that shows you how relatively easy it is to use. You do need more blood than a glucometer, so a bit harder than a glucometer, and a bit more patience. And there will be some, when you start using these, the first one or two might not go well, but the third one you should be fine. I hope that helps. Take care.